Hello everyone, my name is Sanket Kantali. Today I am going to talk about today's topic is the digestive system. Complex group of organs that works together to convert food into energy and basic nutrients to fuel the body. It involves both mechanical and chemical process that break down food, absorb nutrient and eliminate waste. Here detail breakdown. First is mouth oral cavity function. The digestive process start in the mouth where food is chewed by the teeth. Mechanical digestion and mixed with saliva, chemical digestion. Then salivary glands. These glands release saliva containing enzymes like amylase which begins the breakdown of carbohydrate. Then tongue help in the mixing food and forming a bolus which is pushed to the pharynx. Pharynx and esophagus. Pharynx, this is the through a passage for food to enter the esophagus. Then esophagus, muscular tube that pushes the food bolus toward the stomach via peristaltic, a series of muscle contraction. Third, stomach function. The stomach is a muscular organ that temporarily stores food while further breaking it down. Gastric juice. The stomach secretes gastric juice containing hydrochloride, chloric acid, HCl and digestive enzymes like pepsin which begins protein digestion. Churning. Mechanical digestion occurs as the stomach churns food into turning into semi-liquid substance called chyme. Then small intestine. Small intestine divided into three sections. Duodenum, this is where most chemical digestion occurs. The chyme is mixed with digestion enzyme from the pancreas and bile from the liver. Jejunum, nutrient start to the absorb. Ileum, the final stage of absorption occurs here. Enzymes and bile. Pancreatic enzyme help break down protein, fats and carbohydrate. Bile, produced by the liver, stored in the gallbladder, emulsifies fats. Villi and microvilli, teeny finger-like projection in the lining of the small intestine, increasing the surface area for nutrient absorbed into the bloodstream. Fifth is liver, gallbladder and pancreas. Liver produces bile ductin substance in process nutrient from the blood. Gallbladder store bile and release it into the duodenum to fat digestion. Pancreas secrete enzyme and bicarbonate to neutralize stomach acid in the chyme and digestion. Large intestine, colon function absorbs water and electrolyte and compact waste into feces. Section cecum revise chyme from the ileum. Colon divided into ascending, transverse, descending and sigmoid portion further occurs here. Rectum store feces before elimination. Then gut flora. The large intestine houses of beneficial bacteria that help in digestion and production of certain vitamins. Rectum and anus functions. The rectum stores waste until it is ready to expel. The anus controlled by internal and external allows the passage of gases out of the body during digestion. Summary of digestion. Carbohydrates begin digestion in the mouth of salivary amylase completed in the small intestine. Proteins begin digestion in the stomach by pepsin completed in the small intestine. Fats emulsified by bile and digested by pancreatic lipase in the small intestine. The digestive system is essential for breakdown and food we into absorb. Thank you.